my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to unbox the Glamego box for the month of June, and here is my this month's Glamego box. So if you guys don't know about Glamego box, then let me tell you that Glamego box is India's #1 beauty subscription box, and it comes at a very low price of just rupees 399 per month including shipping. And if you guys want more detail on Glamego box, then make sure you guys go ahead and check out my description box. Now let's quickly move to the unboxing. So basically guys, every month Glamego boxes basically come in these cardboard magnetic boxes which you can reuse to store your jewelry or your makeup or any of your essential products. So let me show you how it basically looks once you open it. So this is how the inside of it looks once you open it, and the first thing that I can see is of course this month's card. And let's see what is the first product in this month's box. So the first product in this month's box is from Votray, and it's a Radiance Face Serum worth rupees 1670. So this brand Votray is actually available in Sephora as well, and you're actually getting a product which is available in Sephora in your Glamego box for such a negligible price. So basically guys, the serum says that this is an aqua rich revitalizing serum which is enriched with virgin cold pressed oil and herbal blends and innovative molecules. This is supposed to help and brighten your skin as well as reduce the fine lines. Now this is a full size product, and one thing that I can see, like I can actually feel, is that it smells really good. Like I'm getting a really good smell. So let me just see. Okay, it actually smells nice. So I'm just going to take a drop of it at the back of my hand and let's see how it basically feels. So I've taken just a tiny bit, as you can see, and I'm just going to apply this. And what I can see is that a little definitely goes a long way, and this is very hydrating. The next product that I've received in the box is a kajal from the brand Jovies, and this is worth rupees 190. So for this particular product there's an option. You will either receive an eyeshadow from CAL Los Angeles or CAL Los Angeles, however you want to pronounce it. Now for this particular kajal I've already used it and I personally like it. Now this is not very extremely dark black, but the pigmentation is good, and overall I won't say that this is completely smudge proof, but it does last quite long on your eyes. Next product in the box is something I'm really excited about, and it's a sunscreen from Organic Harvest. Now this one is worth rupees 335, and the best thing about this product is that this has SPF of 60 in it. So it's a sunblock which has SPF of 60 in it with PA++ protection. It also has UVA and UVB protection. Now apart from this, it also has other good qualities, such as this gives you a matte finish. It claims to be water resistant, so I'm like really excited. Apart from that, it also says that this has blue light technology in it, so like very excited. And this is also a full size product. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this product at the back of my hand and let's see how the consistency is. And guys, let's be honest, like in summers everybody needs a good sunscreen. So let's see if it's actually matte finish. Okay, so again, as you can see, a little goes a long way, and this actually gives you a little bit of white cast, as you can see. It's not very sticky, like I won't say it's like very sticky, but at the same time I won't say that this is absolutely matte. It's, I would say, somewhere in between. The next product in the box is a hair cream oil from Parachute, which is worth rupees 50, and it's basically a pre-wash hair nourisher. So you're supposed to apply this before washing your hair, and this is supposed to nourish your hair. And I think these kind of products are really good for summers, because you can actually apply this onto your hair before you take a bath. So it's not going to make your scalp super oily. At the same time, it's not going to give you that chip-chippa stickiness, you know, which we generally face during the summers. With that, we come to the last product in this month's box, which is a sweat pad from the brand P Safe, and this is basically a sample product. So what this basically does is that you're supposed to apply it in your underarms or areas where you sweat a lot, and what it basically does is that it absorbs the sweat and bad odor and keeps you fresh all day long. It avoids staining of your clothes, like when you sweat a lot, you know, like clothes often get stained, so it avoids that. I'm definitely going to try it out and let you guys know how it works on my Instagram. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram as well. The link is down in my description box. So guys, that was the last product in the box, and with that the unboxing comes to an end. Now overall guys, if you ask me, then I would say that I personally think that this month's box is such a good box, like especially for summers. I think it's one of their best boxes because it has so many summer essential products in the box. So with that guys, my video comes to an end. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If yes, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the small notification bell near the subscribe button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.